Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. I'm back with another video, and this time again it's a beauty video, but this is a video about a simple how I do my base. A lot of you guys always ask me how I do my base and what I put, how is my skin smooth. This is pretty much my go-to technique, and 4-5 products that I use in terms of priming and using a base for my skin that gives me a nice natural makeup. I always prefer natural makeup, natural skin. So yes, once your skin base is done, the other makeup products are a byproduct, but the most important thing when you do makeup is of course your base. And we all have pimple marks like these and under eye and all of that. How I get my glowing skin is something that I get a lot. So in this video I actually wanted to quickly take you through how I do my base. So these are the 5 products along with these 2 brushes that I will be using today to do my base and show you guys how I do my base. These are all affordable products, by the way, guys. Firstly, I've already moisturized my face. I've already done my skincare. But what I do after I use my moisturizer is I use a sunscreen. Now, why this particular sunscreen? This is the EQUIL sunscreen because it actually acts like a really good, smooth, priming product on the skin, because it's like a gel-based formula. It's a creamy gel-based formula, and it just acts like a thickish layer on the skin, which actually protects your skin from the harmful effects of makeup, of course. So yes, firstly I'm just putting out this sunscreen and just using it all over my skin to just prime my skin. Firstly, of course, it protects you from the sun's harmful rays and also acts like a really good first layer in terms of makeup. So yes, this already makes your skin very smooth once you use your moisturizer and do your usual skincare, but the last step of skincare and my first step of makeup is always a sunscreen to just add that smooth layer on the skin, a smooth protective layer on the skin. Now the next product, actually there are 2 products that I use to prime my skin. I'm still not reached my base product, which is my foundation. But before my foundation, there are 2-3 products, sometimes 2, sometimes 3, depends on where I'm going and how much do I need. But these are the 2 products I will be using to prime my skin now. This is the Maybelline Master Strobing Cream to add that beautiful glow. The secret to my glowing skin is always that while priming my skin, I add a little bit of a glowing product, which just gives a very natural glow from within look. And any primer of your choice. I've been using the writing is off, but this is the Belora priming moisturizer that I absolutely love. This is the Belora Illuminating Moisturizer. See, I've almost finished this and I'm certainly getting more because it's really nice. It's like the perfect dupe to your MAC strobe cream, by the way, guys. So I've taken a little bit of the Belora Illuminating Moisturizer, and what I do is I mix it up with the Master Strobing Cream from Maybelline. So yeah, so a little bit of the illuminating moisturizer, which also has a glowing effect on the skin, along with the strobing cream. So I just mix these 2. It gives you like a consistency like this, which is quite glowy anyway. And again, just can you see how beautiful is this? I mainly do it on these areas, but actually the entire skin. So this is beautiful, the Belora Illuminating Moisturizer along with this Master Strobing Cream by Maybelline, which again, all of these products are under 1,000 rupees, guys. But it gives a very smooth finish right before foundation. If your skin is glowing like this, nothing like it. The combination of these 2 is actually lethal in giving you an amazing glow, guys. Take as much as you want. I take very little of this because it has gold and it's really glowy, but it gives me a very nice shine on my skin even before I've used a foundation. So that is amazing. Next step, of course, for your base is a good foundation, and one of my favorite foundations is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It is absolutely stunning. I'm in the shade 220. I have taken the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and let's just now use it on the skin. I use this brush, which is currently my favorite. I always use Real Techniques brushes, by the way, guys. This is the Real Techniques Complexion Blender brush. Absolutely love it. So sometimes I use my concealer first, sometimes I use my foundation first, but today I'm using my foundation first. So yes, I take small amounts and just spread it on all over my skin, and since the priming products are already so lovely and they've already given me a beautiful glow, the foundation also becomes very smoothened out. There's a moisturizer underneath, there's a sunscreen underneath, there's a primer underneath. So yes, just I go one by one in all the areas of my skin and just keep blending. This brush is an angled brush and the bristles are so smooth, guys. I highly recommend this brush also. I will link it down below. So as you can see, my base is getting sorted, and this is the kind of natural base I always do for all my makeup, and it just feels amazing. You can take as much as you want and as little as you want depending on the coverage that you want. I like a very minimal natural coverage. This is my natural base, guys. I think it's really nice. This is pretty natural and it feels very good, and every time I have to head out or do a shoot or whatever, this is pretty much what I do. As you can see, it's giving me a very smooth finish on my face, and that is the effect of all these priming products that I use. So yes, last step of course is a concealer. How can I not use a concealer? Because under eye, this is my favorite go-to concealer, the Maybelline Age of Whiten concealer. I'm in the shade medium. I could use a light, but I don't like really light shades on my face. So yes, wherever you need concealing, this is how I go about it. First the under eye, then around my lips, then on top, and any pimple marks or anything that is left, because I've anyway used very little foundation. So this is the concealer I love and I swear by, and it is obviously, it brightens up your skin as well. This is the brush that I use for my concealer. This is the, I think the Real Techniques, the name is off, but I think it's the Real Techniques fluffy brush. I use this. I have two of these and I use these for my concealer because it really blends the under eye very easily. It really is a very good brush to use all over your face, in fact. So just blend it using this brush. Real Techniques has such good brushes, guys. I don't know what you guys use, but since the time I've started makeup, I use their brushes and I swear by them. So yes, just concealing all the dark areas of my eyes, around my face, all the pimple marks, and my base is pretty much sorted. It's simple. This is my simple base, guys, but my everyday natural base. If you're going to office, if you're going for meetings, if you're going out, if you're going for a function or a simple everyday makeup look, if you're looking for, just try and add these kind of simple priming products before your makeup, and your makeup will always be smooth because your skin will be smooth. The most important bit I feel about a base, which I feel no one talks about, is that priming is key. If your skin is smoothened out, your base will always be smoothened out and natural and beautiful, and this is how my skin looks like now. Let me know what you guys think, but this is the first step of makeup, and I think if your base is right, everything else is right. And I think my base looks really nice, and it's only thanks to these 5 beautiful products that we just used and they worked wonders on my skin. I feel that this is amazing. This is the final look of my base. So yes, this was my simple base tutorial for you guys. 5 products along with the 2 brushes that I use to get this beautiful base that I always have, and it gives me a very nice glow on my skin. And you can set it up, you can use a setting powder or a compact powder if you want, but I like my base a little glowy, so I don't use too much powder. Guys, all of these products are actually available on Amazon. I've picked them up at some great prices on Amazon, and I will link all of them down below for you guys to buy. All of them are amazing, easily available on Amazon at a very good price, and this is the beautiful effect that they gave me. Also guys, Amazon is actually still having their mega fashion weekend. So guys, Amazon is running additional sale. The mega fashion weekends is going on, in which every weekend of April from Friday to Sunday you get additional discounts on all your shopping. There's up to a 70% off plus a 300 rupees cashback on fashion and beauty when you shop for rupees 3000. There's also an additional 20% cashback on your first order. So what are you waiting for? Go on shopping, add to your carts and add your favorite products, and don't miss the mega fashion weekends, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video and I hope you like this makeup look. I particularly love how my skin looks after using all of these products out, and the result is right in front of you guys. My base looks absolutely amazing. Glow you'll get every time you prime your skin well and then use your products out, and use good quality brushes like these, and your skin will always look nice. Your base will always look natural. And yes, that is my trick of using a good base. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.